To remove and install the battery on your Ranger 1000, follow these steps. Park the vehicle on a flat, level surface, ensure it is in park, and remove the key. Then, lift the seat and remove the battery lid under the rearmost passenger seat to access the battery. Next, disconnect the black negative battery cable first to prevent arcing. Set the cable aside. Now, disconnect the red positive cable and set aside. After this, remove the battery hold-down strap. Next, lift the battery out of the vehicle. Be careful not to tip a flooded battery sideways, which could spill electrolyte. If electrolyte spills, immediately wash it off with a solution of 1 tablespoon baking soda and 1 cup of water to prevent damage to the vehicle. If reinstalling the battery, ensure the battery is fully charged and free of any dirt or debris to prevent damage. Follow the instructions in the battery charging section of your owner's manual before installing the battery. Before continuing, clean any dirt or debris from the battery tray. Next, place the battery into the battery holder. Apply dielectric grease or petroleum jelly to the battery terminals before reinstalling connectors. Then, connect and tighten the red positive cable first and torque to specification. Now, connect and tighten the black negative cable and torque to specification. Next, install the battery hold-down strap and tighten the screws. Then, verify cables are secure and properly routed. Next, reinstall the battery compartment cover and lower the seat. Finally, turn the key to the on position and verify the battery has been connected properly. When the battery is disconnected, the vehicle's clock may need to be reset. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.